Alright guys, thanks for clicking. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to start making a permanent build, like kind of a bushcraft camp, if that's what you want to call it, on permission land. But I've just come to the location here, location 3, where I planned on building it, and it's absolutely sodden. There's a stream, well not a stream, but there's a trail of water running straight through it. So I'm going to go back to Harbour 1. It's not too far away from here. There's a water source there, and there's plenty of material around there to build a camp. So I'm going to bypass Harbour 2, go back to Harbour 1. So this is Harbour 3, bypass Harbour 2, go back to Harbour 1. So here's Harbour 2. Here, let me just get out the sun glaze. That's Harbour 2, where I done the Bliss video. So I'll put a card up for that one now. You really want to have a look at that, guys, especially you stealth campers. Yeah, it's a cracking video with loads and loads of advice on that one. It's something that's come from the military again. Yeah, I think you'd like our video, guys. So that's Harbour 2. Let's make our way to Harbour 1. Out. So there's a water source. Harbour 1's there. Let's take a look. So this is Harbour 1. I'll put a card up for the video I done on here when they're absolutely pissed down. But it's nice and flat. It's ideal for, let's look, 1, 2, 3, 4 tents. And if I speak nicely to the landowner, fingers crossed he'll give me permission and we can get something going on here up for summer. Let's get started. So this is going to be a new playlist for you guys. It's going to be the bushcraft camp, okay? That's just going to be under. So this will be episode 1. What I plan on doing today is making a frame to put a bash. Sorry guys, I'm going to get some water down me now. Sweating my ass off. I'm sweating like a marine on the spelling test. So I'm going to put a frame up today, so when I arrive here for future camps I can just hook the basher to it and go from there, but the frame will be staying here. Moving on, episode 2 will be making a fire reflector, etc, etc. You know, making certain tools here, but there's plenty of resources around here, and that's what bushcraft is, using the resources around you. So I'm going to get some fluids down me now, as you heard I'm croaking, and we'll get started making this frame for the basher. So I'm just showing you some of the tools and materials I've bought to start making the camp. So we'll go from left to right. Obviously I've got some paracord. I've got some slash proof gloves. I've got a backhoe saw, a bushcraft knife. I've got a bow saw there, that's the black thing in the middle. I've got my axe slash hatchet, and I've got my tray. Now I brought my tray, guys, because I'm a stickler for keeping everything in one place. So everything now, I lay that out flat and all my tools will go in one place. So you're not put down here, put down there. I will not put my tools down unless they're on that pad. I marked the area where I'm going to build my frame using my equipment. So I got my webbing over there, slash belt kit. And I got my garrison pack there. That's the flattest ground. I've looked up and we're in the clearing of there. So we are here. It's not gonna come down anyway, that's been a donkey's years. So I've marked where I'm gonna build out. There's plenty of saplings around here. plenty, nice and straight, flexible and strong. So I'll be using them to make my frame. So I've just put a Canadian jam knot on there. So I'm on the outside of my body. Lock it in. It's as easy as that, right? So I'm on the outside of my body. So if I slip, just go in there, not down there, my femoral artery. So guys, a Canadian jam knot. So tie a granny knot on the end, pull it tight, but leave yourself a tail. Come down about 8 inches, tie another granny knot, but leave it loose. So what you do then, when you want to tighten up to something, take in the end, push it through the loose, pull it tight, and that's how you tighten up. So when you want to tighten up, guys, lock it into place and ratchet it up nice and tight. So that's solid there now. I don't know if you can see it. That's solid. So there we go, as a frame up. If I want to make it more solid in future, I just cut another 2 wide branches and put them off there, but it is actually pretty solid. Let's get the basher on. So there you go, guys. We're all set up. It didn't take long, and obviously the uprights and everything now are permanent. So I'll just take away the basher every time I come here. Next time I think I'll use bungees just for ease. I've got a bit of a sloping roof on the top, as you can see. I've got cover from the rain. Basically I've got shelter. I am going to secure these uprights here. Just won't have time today. But it's a pretty solid semi-permanent shelter. I just used 4 stakes. I used several different knots, taut line hitch, Canadian jam knot, and the fixed loop knot. So I'm going to get a brew on now and some scoff, because I haven't eaten today yet. But there's a nice backdrop here, so nobody's going to see me if they do walk through this land across the top there. And I've got my water source just up there. And there's a skyline there. Nobody's going to walk there because the other side is just a big massive hole. And I got all this camouflage in front of me. So I have started making prep for the fireplace. Just put those in there, and I'll no doubt know me. I'll probably do that before I leave as well. All day breakfast. Same water for me brew. Happy days. Good start, meatball. So when I come up here, guys, to carry on with the project now, next time I'll do an overnight there. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring my cot with me, because it's flat here, it'll go perfect. And in time I'll make a raised bed. But the next one I'll be doing now will be in a fortnight, because it's my little dog's birthday this week and we're taking her away tomorrow for 2 nights. So yeah, I'm going to bring my cot on the next one, and we'll do something else. We'll make something obviously out of all this resource around us, but I'll definitely be making a raised bed underneath here. Alright guys, one thing left to do before I leave: put up a trail cam. This will be collected in a fortnight. Right guys, that's me signing out. Thanks to these guys, patrons and members, and welcome to the new Patreon, a new member. Cheers guys, much appreciated. Thank you for watching guys. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out, sauerkraut. Oosh.